my earnings for today, because I think some people will want to doubt pictures, so I think it's better to do a video. Now this is BScan that shows the transaction that came in today. Please let's take it slowly. As you can see, the transaction hash success. I'm getting notification now of my BNB coming in. You can see the time here. Take a look at the time. 3 hours 1 minute ago, December 14th, which is today. And look at the time it came in. And look at $4.10 in BNB. This is it. It came in at 1:11 p.m. Nigerian time, as you can see. And so far, as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 transfers coming in. One is my main, and the others are from commissions from subordinates. 30% direct, 20% second generation, and 10% from third generation. And it's all automated, guys. So this is foolproof. This is foolproof of my wallet. Okay, guys.